It's impossible to be an alumnus of the University of Waterloo and not think about this building behind me called the Mathematics and Computer Building. And that size, scale, shape, dominance of this building is in everybody's memory, as well as, of course, the famous Red Room for those of us who remember those days when the computer was dominant. And everybody thought of the University of Waterloo and they thought of the Red Room in this building, and students would come from miles to see the Red Room and see the massive computer installation.